appreciate where they're coming from with it.
I just started the broadcast, by the way.
Okay,
Thanks.
excellent.
All
Okay, does everybody have the quiz up?
Yes, sir.
right.
Yes.
All right, if you guys are ready, I'll tackle question 3.
Okay.
It's interesting that they put questions 1 and 2 at the beginning, not the end.
Yeah.
I don't know. To me, it kind of makes sense because they're just like, before you start, like, please answer these honestly. Like, so, I don't know.
Yeah.
I can see both ways. Okay, so question 3. Find the margin of error for 90% interval with the standard deviation of 50 and the population of 20, sample of 25. So that's the margin of error equation, which is the z-score times the standard deviation divided by the square root of n. The z-score for 90% is 1.645. So we then need to do the, we call it 50, so 1.645 times 50 divided by square root 25 equals 16.45. We're all on the same page on that one, or did I miss something?
Yeah. We're
No,
good.
you're good.
That's what I got.
Okay, excellent.
So it's 16.45, correct?
Yep.
All right, I was able to get to that one without a calculator, but I need to grab my phone real quick.
Okay.
Yeah. That I can't get to that without a calculator. Is Mark back or is he? There we go.
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay. So question 4, which of the following statements is true? I'm not going to read all the signs because they're hard to, but I am going with C. X bar is a point estimator of mu. Am I totally off?
Yep. Nice, Becky.
Wait, which one is it? Is it X
Bravo.
point estimator for U? Oh, B? Okay, cool.
Expert.
So wait, what's the difference between B and C?
B and C. Oh, C. So C is a point. The definition of a point estimator from the reading is, just a second, one point or number used to estimate a parameter. So it's a statistic used. Yeah. So does that make sense?
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT score. She knows the standard deviation is 113. She collects a sample size n equals 64. So that's going to square root of 64 is 8. And she computes x equals 526.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the point estimate for the true GMAT score? Let's see here.
That one kind of refers back to the last question.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Well, more than kind of.
Hang on a second. I need to. For some reason, I don't have the normal probability output open yet.
You don't need the number probability to answer that question.
Don't you?
Matt?
Hang on.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
So if you read the question before it, so X bar is
Well,
the point.
that's Mark working on this one.
It's,
Oh, sorry.
It's
Mark.
fine.
That's not what I mean. Just kidding. So if you look at the one before, it's the X bar is the point estimated for the mean, for the true mean, and so they're asking for the point estimate.
Oh, right.
Estimator.
Okay, so the point. So the point estimate is 526.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Okay.
Yep.
I started doing the same thing. Like, wait, no. I see what I'm doing. But, yeah.
Very good.
Go ahead, Mac.
Okay, for number 6 here, we're just going to calculate it out. So let me get that going, and you guys. So Z is going to be 1.96.
So our formula there is 1.960 times 113 over the square root of 64, right?
Correct.
Yep. Which is 20. Let's see here. 3 decimal places will be 27.685. Is that what everyone else got?
Hang on, I'm not there yet.
Yeah, let me double check this. I trust you, Mac. I really do. Yeah, that's exactly what I just got.
Okay.
What'd you get?
I got 27.
What'd you get? Yeah, that's right.
27.685.
Cool.
1.96 times 113 divided by 8.
Okay, so the next one is asking. Are you guys ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next one's asking for the lower bound of the confidence interval, so it's going to be the 526 minus the 27.685.
This is 498.315.
Yes, but you're going to want to make sure. Don't we? Isn't this one where we have to round it to a number? No, it's population. I lied. Yep. 498.315. 498. Come on, little mouse.
So for the lower limit, we just subtract, and the upper limit we add.
Oh, no, come on, computer. You don't want to freeze on me. We want to be friends. Friends. Remember, we're friends here, pal.
You okay?
My computer just completely froze up on me. Let me see if I can get it to behave itself. Okay. So now we'll put this answer out. So it's,
We can still hear you, so that's good, right?
I figure that's a good sign. Although I'm running, so I always run. There we go. You're moving now. Which my Mozilla is frozen up on me.
Yeah, you got it.
Chrome
Should go Chrome. Should go Chrome. It'll only screw you on the tests. Is the only thing.
Yeah, I use my Chrome for everything except like. So you guys are going through my Chrome, not my Mozilla right now. What the heck? Come on, you. Wait, hold on. Give me a second. Let me see what I can do to be clever here. Fortunately, I've been saving my questions as we've been going. Come on, computer. I don't want to kill you yet. What? So delete isn't working? You're killing me, Schmaltz.
Let me know when you're let me know when you're good to go there, Sarah.
Uh-oh, did we lose her?
Oh, did we? Hang on.
Yep, she's gone.
Yeah, she's dead, Jim.
Hurry, let's go on with the quiz. Let's finish it while she's gone.
Okay.
Quick. Let's see here.
We can catch her up. She
We can
probably
wait for her.
checks us anyways, right? She'll just tell us whether wrong.
We can wait for her. I was just teasing. I don't care.
No, it's fine. She seems to have a pretty good grasp on it anyway, as always.
We can go over it with her.
Yeah. All right. So what would happen to the width of confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? It would increase.
right? But we got to go back to 8. I missed 8. Did we skip 8?
Done 8? Okay.
Well, just the upper limit. So now we just add 27.68, right? So it's 553.685.
Correct.
That's what I got.
Okay. And then increase, and then 10 is.
Wouldn't it decrease? Wouldn't the width decrease?
Oh wait, 9 is decrease.
Is it?
Yeah. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? Yeah, because if you have a bigger sample size, then you're going to be more confident in your answer. So your confidence interval will be smaller.
Yep.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
All right, guys.
Instead of having such large
Oh, hey.
parameters with more people, you can narrow it in a little bit more.
Yeah. Hey, Sarah, you
Uh,
good?
Almost. Give me a second. I've got to back into my beloved test here. That's where my computer
Welcome
just
home.
completely.
Well, Sarah, while you were gone, we finished the quiz, so good luck.
Okay, guys. Thanks, you punks.
We figured you're our checker anyways.
You know, we'll roll with it.
Check it with you.
So, you guys go finish it?
No.
No.
Oh, okay. I was just like, yeah, finish it. Like, props to you guys. All right, hold on. Where are you? Here you are, my little group meeting quiz. Okay, finished. This sucks. I have to finish this on my little what do you call it? Come back. Okay. Okay, quiz. I'm rebooting my computer, but I'm just going to use my phone. Okay, excellent. Fortunately, we saved. And let's see. Well, as to why we constantly save our work. Okay. Question 7. Lower enroll was. Okay. Oh, what the
You need
crap?
answers for 7 and 8, 9.
Hold on. Now my phone's funking out.
It's a bad technology day.
It is. It's gonna be crap.
It's a bad
Hey,
day.
computer booted up.
Go on. 498.315. Go.
Yep.
498.315. Okay. Oh,
Yep.
this is good. Okay. All right. Question 8.
Add, yeah.
Is it on question 8 or do you guys already get question 8 done?
Well-
We got through 8 and 9.
Okay, hold on.
8 is 50.
553.685. Is
Yep.
that correct? Okay.
I'd go. Wrong phone.
What did you? I got decrease for number 9. What did you guys get?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Decrease, good. I've got increase for number 10. What do you guys have?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
I think that's where I got confused.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who wants to take 11? Where are we at?
I think max up.
I can do it. All right. They want to study the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? We're rounding it to the nearest whole answer since it's sample size. 196. So we're going to use the equation 1.96 times standard deviation of 400 all over 50, and then square that, which gives you 246.
Yep.
Okay. So it's 1.96 times 400
Standard deviation 400.
divided by 50.
Yep.
Yeah.
So 16.
And then square that.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I thought we did. Oh, square 2. So 250, 246.
Yeah.
You guys
Yes.
got? 246, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Got it. Okay. Sorry. My phone isn't quite as cool as my computer. I'm like,
You guys said what? What's that?
Ah,
Speak up, honey.
alright. Oh, now we're getting a throwback question. Don't you love these? 100,000.
You're on that one, Sarah?
Oh, the next one? That's me, isn't it?
Yeah.
Give me a second. I'm putting. I trust everyone can read the information on their own.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to write it all out. A equals U. Oh, two-tailed. Fancy. Okay. That equals that. N equals 6. N equals 1. Okay. Lower limit of this 95% confidence level interval. Okay, so we don't. Okay, so we just need to do our confidence interval thing. So that's 111,000 minus oh, am I tired?
95% confidence level.
Correct? That's the
Yeah,
right
okay.
Z number. Times the 36,730 all over the square root of 36.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let's see what we can't do here. I got 99,001.533.
That's what I got too.
We round up
Was it
to
good?
99002.
Mm-hmm.
99002.
I'm looking for N. We don't need to 0.002, right? Because
We're looking for the lower limit.
yeah, oh, the nearest whole number. Okay, they tell us around to the nearest whole number. Okay, 99002.
Yeah.
Good catch, Becky.
That's
So
right.
even though it's lower, we wouldn't have to normally do that, except for they asked us to do that with this one. The only time we automatically take it to the nearest whole number is when we do when we find N.
Yep.
So then for question 13, we just take our 111,000 plus 11,998.466, and we get 122,990.
Yes.
Say that again.
122,998.
So 122,998.
Yes.
Okay, good. That's what I got. Sorry, my phone for some reason is now doing super super quiet.
You're just too good, so you just need a challenge every now and then to make it a little harder.
And make it a little bit more entertaining.
Yeah.
I can do 14 unless someone else wants to do it, but
14, 14 is all of the above.
Nice.
I concur.
Kind of gives it away in the question, but that's okay.
Actually,
All
all
right.
smart scissors.
%.
We're good.
Excellent.
Cool.
Well then, we'll see you guys on Wednesday.
Good
Okay.
job, group.
See you soon.
Thanks, everybody.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.